I'm Vishnu Maddileti. I work as a data sciences lead at Amgen in commercial at Amgen. I've been at Amgen 15 years. I have done various roles in commercial operations at Amgen, and the latest role is the data sciences role that I have.
I'm Noel, been at Amgen 10 years, always around data governance, data quality, and I've been in commercial for 4 years, and I'm a data science lead, team data scientist. For the single product that we were looking at, we have 5 billion vertices and 20 billion edges.
It's huge data that we are talking about, and finding influencers in that data, it's not easy. And this TigerGraph has been has scaled for us actually in that instance.
So we have a vertex that will represent the identified patient, so just a patient who goes and sees a doctor. And so we would have a vertex for Amgen products, we have vertices for competitor products, we have vertices for doctors, we have vertices for patients, we have vertices for claims that connect those doctors to those patients. So it's all that network of events that happens when somebody goes to see a doctor and gets prescribed a medication. The key is to find who are the most influential people in the network. So who are getting the most referrals and who's sending those people to that referral. So maybe we need to educate some more people so that they can educate their patients, and or maybe so that the patient journey is better. So you may want to go to the person getting a lot of referrals and make sure that they understand where their patients are coming from, or go to the people sending patients over and educate them on our products so that they know if you go to see this doctor, it's possible that you could get on this therapy and help your condition.
So most of the time we go to the writers, not the influencers, right? So this will tell us actually who are the most influential people that are sending our patients who might use our drugs to the writers, right? So we mostly exactly, yes. It's not only the writers, but it's the influencers also whom we need to target. But mostly we predict the writers, right? So this gives us an edge actually to get the therapies actually that we want for the patients.
It was cardiovascular.
Cardio, yeah.
So now we're working with the marketers and the brand leads to see if there's if this helps them in any way. So how do we target these people to educate them? Should we be including them in speaker programs so that maybe they are the ones who are then educating other prescribers in their prescription patterns?
We have like at least 60 analysts actually in the group who are really data savvy, right? So we serve up all this data, and then if you don't have the UI, they are dependent on us to give them what it means, right? So, but if we have a better UI, they can get insights. And payer analytics is one of the groups actually which are like, they're really hands-on analysts actually. So they can really get insights into how the payer is influencing this entire domain of therapy. Right? So this is very important for us to get that out as a product.
I would always start by modeling the real world. So what do the vertices and the edges represent, and just drawing it out. That's what's the value in graph, is that you can represent the real world and objects that you can relate to.
So one thing for me is actually the use cases, right? So what is the real use case that you have, and how can you convince the management? So it's not easy to sell a product actually. So you, as developers, actually it's easy to just, okay, you get excited about the technology and what it can do for you, but like, how do you represent it, right? So that's the hardest part actually that we have faced in selling. Like, so we have been on transformation journeys, but that executive leadership buy-in is the key actually. So I'm taking a real use case and proving it out actually, right? So that is very important for adoption.